Hello everyone, this is Mr. Stone, and today I'm going to provide a tutorial on how to receive your assignment, how to process your assignment, and how to turn your assignment in. So first, we're going to take a look at the assignment. It shows here that we are in my class, Mr. Stone's second grade technology class. Over here in the top right corner, it shows that I'm logged in as the test student and I'm on an assignment. This assignment is due tomorrow, 3 o'clock. And this assignment is called Dance Mat Typing. And I'm giving this assignment 5 points. And here we go. So down here is the instructions. I outline the words per minute that we're trying to get all students to be at by the end of this school year. So for first grade, we would like for you to be at 5 words per minute. Second grade, 10 words per minute. And then third grade, 15 words per minute. Again, this is what we're shooting for by the end of the school year. And by going to the Dance Mat Typing website and the final stage at the very end, you're able to take a typing test which will gauge your words per minute as well as the accuracy. So I then go down to the steps. So step 1, follow the Dance Mat Typing link connected to this page. Practice stages 10, 11, and 12. Down here is the link for that. Step 2, at the end of stage 12, you will find a typing test. Please take the test. Step 3, if you have met the words per minute for your grade, you can either print, take a picture, or save a PDF file, and then you can send that to my school email address. And again, we would like for you to have accuracy around 90%. So basically, once you've completed this assignment, you're going to click on the blue button in the top right corner. Mark is done. Circled right here. This turns in the assignment. This shows me that you have participated in this week's technology class assignment, and then I can go ahead and provide grade, feedback, and so on. And also, we are very cognizant that not everybody has technology readily accessible to them. So if they are looking at this on an iPad, you can do an alternative activity if you have access to a printer. Down here we have a keyboard which you could print out, and then you can type along to the video. So that should pretty much cover what to do. So I'm going to now walk you through what you need to do from here. So first, you're going to go to the link. You're going to click on the link, and the link will take you to this page here. You would then go to stage 12. You would complete those final activities for stage 12, which are the shift keys. You'd be shifting, making those letters capital letters, changing the various keys that require the shift to change it from one character to another, and then you would take the test. Once you completed that activity, and if you made the score, saved it by taking a picture, printing it out, what have you, you would then go back to Google Classroom, and then you would click on Mark is done. And then it's going to say, you didn't attach work for Dance Mat Typing, so your teacher will just see that it's done. That's exactly what I want to see. You don't, at this point in time, it's not necessary for you to attach anything to Google Classroom. My directions initially said send it to Columbus Preparatory Academy. From next week, we're going to be a little clearer and a little less cumbersome on the number of things that you need to do, trying to factor in that this is all new for a lot of people, including us teachers. So once again, mark as done, This sends a message to me saying that you've completed the assignment. And then over here it says no works attached, and basically it's been submitted, and then you would unsubmit it if you needed to. Again, keep it simple. You've submitted it. Mission accomplished. If you've done that, full credit. Congratulations. We've just completed our first week of distant learning with your assignment with Google Classroom. Once again, thank you very much, and have a great rest of your day.